Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about what is the difference between WhatsApp communities and WhatsApp groups. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you want to know what differences are there between communities and groups on WhatsApp? WhatsApp communities is a collection of groups in one section. There won't be any communities if there are no groups. Communities are designed to empower organizations, schools, clubs, or different groups who use WhatsApp to communicate with each other. It's a great way to organize different groups and distribute information easily. Groups are standalone, and members can be added to the group. Communities have independent groups where the members can communicate with the other members. It is now accessible on the WhatsApp app. You may see it on the first separate tab before the Chats tab. One difference between communities and groups is their capacity and size. Groups can have members, while communities can have multiple groups inside them. The limit for group members is set to increase to 1,024 participants inside one group, while communities can have up to 51 groups. Each member of the individual groups that are included in a community will be automatically added to an announcement group. It means that it will be easier for you to broadcast messages all at once. There's no need to send the same message to the different groups inside the community. The members of communities will have limited activities. They will not be able to invite members or add new groups. Only the admins can add or remove members or groups inside a community. Admins of communities can edit the community title, description, and icon used. The privacy feature of communities is also upgraded. While members of the group can view each member's WhatsApp number, communities will not allow members of the group to view each participant in the group. This makes it more secure. The members of the group that is part of the community can only see a few people who are part of the community. It won't show the complete list of members and their phone numbers. In WhatsApp communities, there won't be an option to start video or audio calls. In WhatsApp groups, the members can have the option to start a video or an audio call. It's easier to remove users from the community. As a member is removed from that community, they will be removed from the group as well. When a group member leaves the group, as it is added to the community, they can still be part of that community. In WhatsApp groups, a person who leaves the group can no longer be part of it unless the admin adds them back. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy-grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try Course Funnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.